Meet the FT03 Compressed Air Duster, your new go-to tool for quick and efficient cleaning. With a stepless speed adjustment from 1 to 100, this electric blower adapts perfectly to every task, whether you're dusting delicate electronics or clearing out car vents. Its powerful 110,000 RPM brushless motor generates a wind speed up to 45 meters per second, blasting away dust and debris with ease. This compact device weighs just 7.2 ounces and fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to operate anywhere. Forget about bulky cans or noisy compressors. Its cordless design lets you clean without limits. Whether you're at home, in the office, or outdoors, the FT03 delivers reliable power in a lightweight, portable package. The FT03 comes with 2 nozzles and 2 brush heads, so you're equipped for any cleaning challenge. From tight keyboard crevices to PC interiors, air conditioning vents, photography gear, and even campfire ignition, this tool handles it all. It's not just a duster, it's a versatile cleaning companion that adapts to your needs. Powered by a rechargeable battery with USB-C fast charging, this duster fully charges in just 3 hours. On a single charge, you get up to 180 minutes of runtime at low speed, enough to tackle multiple cleaning sessions without interruption. Say goodbye to constantly replacing disposable cans or worrying about running out of power. Built from durable ABS material, the FT03 is designed to last. It offers a cost-effective, eco-friendly alternative to traditional compressed air cans that quickly run out and add waste. This duster is reusable and sturdy, saving you money and reducing your environmental footprint. If you're looking for a cleaning tool that combines power, precision, and portability, the FT03 Compressed Air Duster fits the bill. It's ideal for tech enthusiasts, car owners, and anyone who values a clean, dust-free space without hassle. Worth a look if you want a dependable blower that's easy to carry and simple to use. Whether it's keyboards, PCs, cars, or outdoor gear, the FT03 delivers strong airflow and versatile attachments to get the job done right. Try the FT03 when you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine. With adjustable speed, long battery life, and multiple nozzles, it's a smart investment that makes dust removal effortless and efficient every time.